This is a video tour of 3638 West Diversey, Unit 1F. You enter the property through a locked gate and come up the front stairs, and you can see this is the front porch for the unit. Go in the common door and into the living room of the unit, and then there's this door that goes right out to the exterior front porch. And just inside the front door is a closet. It's a rather large coat closet. And you have a pretty good sized living room with large windows, letting in lots of light. And this is a 3-bedroom unit, so this is the first bedroom. And it has a pretty good closet. This unit has hardwood floors, central heat and central air, and your own washer dryer, furnace, and hot water heater serving just this one unit. This is the second bedroom with a pretty good sized closet with sliding mirrored doors. And a bathroom. And then the stackable washer and dryer, and behind it you have the furnace for the central heat and central air, and then your own hot water heater. And then the third bedroom with another closet with mirrored sliding doors. And the kitchen with quartz countertops and an island, all stainless steel appliances with a deep sink. And then this unit, the back door leads out to a common hallway stairway. There are units in the rear of the building, and so you can go up or down to go out. And this leads to the side of the building. And again, this is a 6-unit building, and this is Unit 1F, and then this leads to the back, and the property is fully gated and secure. And then here's the alley at the back of the property and the garbage area as well.